You just take them out of the box, Sarah, because I have to put a battery in here. Okay, you have to open it. Hold on. Alright. Come here, Sissy.
What you got, Sissy?
Here, get that little one right there for Mommy.
Mommy? That Mommy.
No,
I want
No,
to.
yeah, get that one.
Who?
That Mommy.
You got Navarro?
That Mommy.
What's the finding?
That Mommy.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. You see that one? Give that one to Daddy.
Don't touch that.
Okay, I won't touch
That's
it.
for Mommy and Daddy. Give that one
The robot.
to Daddy.
That hit.
All right, thank you, baby. Thank you.
Whoa, it's a penguin man from Batman.
Mom.
And that's for Mommy and Daddy.
She's always wanting to help. Look at her.
Yeah.
That's for Mommy and Daddy.
Ooh, she says.
Oh, thank you, Sissy.